Hi everyone, how are you? So this week we are going to start a new unit where we are studying the parts of the brain and the way the parts of the brain function. The main assignment you're going to have this week centers around an article. In this article, they're studying the effects that eating Oreos have on your brain. And the connection is whether or not eating Oreos is as addictive as doing drugs. On Tuesday and Wednesday of this week, you're going to need to read an article and you're going to need to do a graphic organizer. So I want to show you how you get to that in Canvas. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to open up the Canvas course. It looks like this, as you guys know, and you're going to go into Body Systems, which is actually module number 12. You're going to click there. Once you're there, you'll see all the learning goals and some of the different things we're going to be studying. You want to go into major parts of the brain and click that. Okay, once you're there, you're going to see this engage effective eating Oreos. So it kind of gives you some background here on why researchers use mice when specifically studying the brain. And I want you to actually go into option 2. That is the option that I want you to do because there are 2 options. Now, right here, it says there are 2 options for this activity. Number 1, I want you to open the graphic organizer. Oreos have similar effects as cocaine document. You're going to go ahead and open that up. And you're going to want to download this article, okay? You're going to want to save it. So save file as. And you can decide where you want to put it, if you want to keep it on your desktop, if you want it as a document or a download. I'm just going to keep it in my downloads and hit save. Once it's there, you should be able to open it up and you should be able to type inside the organizer. So instead of having to print anything out, any sort of worksheet, you'll be able to take all your notes right there as a Word document. Then you'll want to do File, Save As, and there's some instructions for you on how to save it that are right here. You're going to do Oreos underscore your last name and then your first name, and that's how you will submit this once you're done and completed with it. So you're going to read through this article right here, and you're going to fill in those notes and submit and save. Once you're ready to submit, you'll hit submit here. I haven't actually assigned this yet, but that would be where you would submit it at. So hopefully that will help you understand what to do. If you have any questions at any time, you can reach me on Remind, or you can email me directly, billy.dollins@browardschools.com, or you can even message me through the inbox feature on Canvas. If you're not sure where that is, let me just show you real quick. It's right here. If you click inbox, I don't know if it's going to open up. I'm in student view. So I'm in student view right now. So let me leave student view so you can see this. And you can see different people have messaged me. So you'll be able to send me a message. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I hope you guys are having a good day. I'll see you virtually soon. Bye.